Hi everyone, this video will help you to understand the process of mobile clock in and clock out approval, that how can you approve the mobile clock in and clock out attendances of your team member, and how to enter the week offs of your team member. So first we will understand how to approve the attendance, then we will go for the week off updation. Click on the menu, then click on the My Team menu. You will see the last option, Mobile In and Out Approval. Click on Mobile In and Out Approval. Select the month that you want to approve attendances for. Though we are suggesting every manager should approve the attendance of his or her team member on a daily basis. You can also select the employee. You can select the status of pending attendances. You can select the status of approved attendance and also the rejected one. For now, we are clicking on pending. So this sort of list will appear in front of you, that what all records are pending for your approval. You can select all the records in one go also, but we will recommend that please check the attendances, the date, the clock in, clock out time and location before approving it. Once you approve it, once you select all the records that you wanted to approve, you can also see their status. If you want to reject due to any of the reason, then you can reject and put your comments here, that why are you rejecting, and if you want to approve it, you can let it approved. Submit the status. Once you submit the status, the attendance would be approved and this will go to the pay register. For checking out pay register, you need to go to My Team menu again, go on Member Reports. Once you go on Member Report, click on Attendance Register. Select the same month for which you have approved the attendances. Click on Find. Once you click on Find, you will see the list of team members who are reporting under you. Select the team members whose attendance register you want to see. Click on Preview. Like this, you will see the attendance register of your team members. Now we need to understand how to enter the week off. For entering week off, you need to come to the home page again. Click on the My Team menu. Click on Member Shift. There are two options by which you can update the shift of a team member. One is Employee Shift Import, another one is Member Roster. First, we will understand how to import the shift of employees. For importing in bulk, you need to add. Once you click on Add, you will see the window where you can select the file, the entire Excel file. So you can choose the file from here, from the location where you have saved the file. And if you don't have the format of submitting the file, then you can click the sample from here. So you can have the format. Prepare the sheet in the format. Select the sheet you want to upload, row number, from and to, and submit. So this will import the attendance of an entire team in one go. If you want to do it one by one, then go to Member Shift again. Click on Member Roster. You can select the way you want to do it, weekly, monthly, assign or cancel week off. Here we will select monthly. We will go in the month, select the employee name. Once you select the employment name, you will see the entire month of that particular employee. You need to select the checkbox for marking it week off. Whatever checkbox you select, those days would be marked as week off. Once you select the week off for that particular employee, you need to submit. Since we are doing mobile clock in and clock out, apart from week off, you don't need to select anything. Just select the week off and submit it. Once you submit it, click the next employee again and update his week off.